Hey guys, welcome to Farm Alarm. My name's Tracy. So it's almost like 10 o'clock at night, and I totally forgot that I bought this thing today. Weed burner. It's a Red Dragon 500,000 BTU weed burner, and man, I really thought about making one because all this is exhaust pipe and you know, just a piece of steel tubing. But really, where the money is at is in the hose and in the fittings. And it was, I think I paid $70 for this thing. They had several different ones, but the 500,000 BTU was $70. And you know, I could have made this thing for little or nothing, but the hose was like $40. And then I'd have had to buy some fittings, or they sold a 25-foot hose, which would have been really nice, and it was $55. And then, you know, by the time I would have bought all the parts, it would have been like the exact same money plus the time that it would have took to have to build the thing. So I just thought, well, let's just give some local business some good business, and I went to Orscheln's and bought this. But I'm really excited to use it, and everybody's sleeping inside, and this thing is really loud, like a it's really loud. Ashley just pulled up this this bed. This was Radish's. She pulled up that bed, and there was a lot of weeds in it and stuff, and we want to re-sow it, but you know, I want to knock out all these weeds first. So anyway, let's do that. Well, that sure made fast work. I guess the only thing I really need to watch out for here in the greenhouse is I did insulate this thing this past winter, and so, you know, you can see that pink foam that I got in there, and that is not going to hold up to the heat, and you can see that it did get a little scorched. I'll just have to be more careful. So I guess the biggest thing that I bought this for is weeding in the garden, plus weeding in these walkways, and you know, we'll have to see. I mean, I got plastic tubs in here, but I have been really thinking about, we'll see how this summer goes, but I've been thinking about getting rid of the tubs, or at least half of the tubs, because I really did have some good success growing right in the ground. I've been watching some channels like Curtis Stone, Urban Farmer, and then also Big Pond Farm. If you guys haven't seen Big Pond Farm, check him out. His family, they live in a yurt, really cool family, and they're market gardeners. But I've been talking back and forth with him, and they have showed us what they're using in their beds. They're actually just making like a 30-inch bed, wide bed. And then they put this, it's a tarp material, landscaping material, down the beds, and they take a weed burner like this and they burn holes in it, and that's where the plants come up. And I thought, well, I didn't really like that tarp idea because then I'd have to water constantly, but they had said that water actually does go through the tarp, so that's really cool, and you don't have to do a lot of weeding, and that's one thing that I'm really looking forward to. So we might be doing that here in the greenhouse, and we're going to try at least half of our garden like that this summer. So anyway, just wanted to show you guys this Red Dragon. The paint that's burning off of it is really stinky right now, but I think this thing is going to be an excellent tool. Thanks a lot, guys, for watching, and we will see you on the next video.